Hey there, fellow students. Are you considering studying abroad? Well, let me tell you why London is the ultimate destination for students like us. First and foremost, London is a city filled with history and culture. Imagine studying at a university that's surrounded by iconic landmarks, stunning architecture, and world-class museums. It's a learning experience unlike any other. Secondly, London is a melting pot of cultures and diverse communities. As a student here, you'll find yourself surrounded by people from all around the world, making lifelong friendships and expanding your worldview. London truly embraces diversity. Speaking of communities, London offers an incredible social life. From student societies and sports clubs to nights out in trendy neighborhoods like Shoreditch and Camden, there's always something exciting happening in this city. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable student experience. Now, let's talk academics. London has some of the most prestigious universities in the world, offering various courses and programs to suit every student's interests and career aspirations. Whether you're into business, arts, sciences, or technology, you can be assured of top-notch education. Another reason why London is perfect for students is the abundance of internships and job opportunities. The city is a global hub for industries ranging from finance and tech to fashion and media. Studying here gives you a competitive edge as you can establish connections and gain practical work experience while pursuing your degree. And if you ever need a break from the hustle and bustle, London offers breathtaking green spaces to unwind. From Hyde Park to Greenwich Park, you can escape the city's fast pace and find tranquility amidst nature. Last but not least, London is a cultural hub with a vibrant arts scene. You'll have unlimited access to world-class theaters, art exhibitions, music festivals, and much more. Immerse yourself in the city's creative energy and let it inspire your own personal growth. So, fellow students, if you're considering studying abroad, London offers an incredible blend of history, culture, diverse communities, top-notch education, internships, breathtaking green spaces, and a vibrant arts scene. Trust me, there's nowhere quite like London for an unforgettable student experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other fantastic destinations you'd like me to explore. Until then, keep chasing your dreams and creating amazing memories. See you soon.